Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your stream preview on Discord. So what that essentially means is that when somebody hovers over your live stream on Discord, they can't see the thumbnail or the preview of it. So to turn it off, go to user settings, scroll down to voice and video. Go to the video section and scroll down until you find streaming. It says hide stream previews. Users will not be able to see a preview of your stream before joining. Enable it and then it will be hidden. It's just going to be blank. So they have to join in order to see your stream. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.